let us take a look at the ground floor plan. So basically here, we have 15 parking lots for cars, and we also have 20 parking lots for motorcycles. For the ground floor, we have two main entrances to have access into our building, here and here. So the first one, when you enter our building, you will notice that our stairs are built at the hallway of the building. We also have the gymnasium on the ground floor, the theatre room for the drama group to practice, the gamelan room for the Sangha Kirana group to have their gamelan practice, martial art room to provide for the sports of silat, taekwondo, aikido and muay thai. We also have two rooms which are soundproof, the musical room and also UTP band. And as for the toilets, we provided two toilets for male and female respectively. We also provide two changing rooms for male and female respectively too. And here we have the back entrance which is near to the toilet. And for the disabled, we have provided a lift for their comfort. And not to forget, we also provide a mini futsal court right next to our building.
Okay, now let's take a look at the first floor plan. You can see the stair bridge here. Right in front of the stair is the waiting lounge. And there are 3 coaches. Also, we are going to place a reception counter here. From here, you can see this is the entrance of the administration section. Inside of the administration section, there are 9 cubicles provided for the curricular unit staff. In front of the cubicles, there are 3 rooms for the executive. Right next, the executive rooms is the pantry. The pantry will be provided with furnitures. Okay. At the end of the administration section is the meeting room here, and here will be provided tables and chairs. We also built a seminar room here. The seminar room will be used by the staff and student. Here is the entrance of the seminar room. Not to forget, we also built a store here. The store is used to store the files and equipment for the buildings. At the corner of the first floor plan, you have the toilet here, both for male and female. We provided 2 toilets and 1 sink here. And then at the another corner of the first floor plan is the lift for the disabled people usage.
This one is the elevations. There are 4 elevations: the front elevation, back elevation, right side elevation, and left side elevation. Okay, firstly let's go to the front elevation. Mostly in the front elevation we can see is doors and windows. The front, the 2 main doors are actually made out of glass, and the windows are made out from glass cement with ventilation panels on top. Going to the back elevation, there are more windows, and here is the back door. As you can see, the right side elevation, there are no windows, but there are ventilation panels. This is because on the right side of the building, there are mostly toilets and stalls. Next, the left side elevation. Here there are also windows, more windows. Okay. The reason why there are so many windows in our building is because that our building is aiming for a green building. Therefore, if there are many windows, it will allow sunlight to fill in the building, thus using less electricity in the morning to shine the building.
Hi, now we are going to describe the section of x-axis here from this point and y from this point and this point. Okay. For x-axis, where's x-axis? section XX. We have toilet on the first floor, second floor, toilet, meeting room here, reception counter C1, executive office, and pantry. The ground floor we have toilet, the door, the wailer room, the room, and marshal room. Next, for the section YY. Section YY, we take it from this point to this point. Let's take a look for the section YY. Section YY, we got theater room, stairs, and musical room for ground floor. Next, for the first floor, office, and this the door, and the lift for the disabled.
Okay, this is a 3D modeling done by us. Okay, as you can see, there are the office, the cubicle, and on the left side there is the tables, and here is the waiting lounge, provided sofa, football, and a desk for the counter. And then there is the seminar room. There are chairs and stage.
In the event of emergency, students and staff will have to evacuate the co-curricular building and assemble at the assembly point for safety purposes. Last but not least, I can say that our building can be considered as an outstanding building. This is because we are being very particular about the green building issues. As you can see here, we are planning to plant trees along this building and at the side of this building. We also plan to put well-trimmed bushes at the side of the building. Next, we also allocate a lot of windows here, as you can see from the elevations and also from the sections. This is because we want to allow a lot of lights to enter our building, and therefore our building will be an eco-friendly building. Thank you.